Hello guys, welcome to Java Developers YouTube channel. In previous class, we had seen about relational or comparison operators. In this class, we are going to see about the logical operators in Java. Basically, there are three logical operators in Java, that is and, are, not. Okay, these are the three examples of logical operators in Java. Okay, and let's see the types. In this you will see the logical operators. Okay, just we do some examples with the logical operators, because why we call it as logical operators means, if you are comparing, let us assume, okay, let us assume int a is equals to 10 comma b is equals to 20 and c is equals to 30. If you are comparing between a and b and a and c, that means you are comparing between the two elements with the one element. Okay, and if you want to compare the logic, that means comparing the values, and if the a and b values are satisfied, that means a is less than b and a is less than c, it's a satisfied condition. Okay, we will learn that what is the truth table for the and or not. Okay, we will see that. Here we look for the truth table of and or gates, that means and or logicals. And here let us assume that 0 means, okay, let us take 0 stands for false, okay, and 1 stands for true. Here false into false you will get the false, false into true you will get the false, false true false you will get false, true true you will get true. Okay, that's about the and gate or and logical. Okay, and if you go for the or gate, and when false and false resulted in the false, false true it will resulted in true, true false true, true true true. Okay, what we have to observe that in and condition, any one condition is false, the output will be resulted in false. And in or gate, if one condition false and one condition true, in that case it will result in the and operation, sorry, true operation. Okay, so it's a multiplication, and stands for the multiplication. Okay, whereas or starts for the addition. 0 into 0 you will get 0, false into false false, false into true false, true false false, true true you will get true. Okay, that's the main intention to understand about the logical operators. And not is that if you are giving true, it will give the result false, if you give the input as false it will result into true, vice versa. Okay, that's all about the logical operators, and we will do some practicals with the logical operators. Just go for the our package and create new class, that is logical operators. Okay, logical operators include the main method. Click on finish, then take int of a is equals to 10 and int of b is equals to 20 and int of c is equals to 30. Okay, if a is greater than b, a is greater than b, no, and a is less than c, in that condition, what we have to do, we have to tell that if a is greater than b and a is greater than c, okay, a is, that means here a value is 10, b value is 20 and a value is 10, c value is 30, right? Here 10 is greater than that, no, just print a. Okay, what you are going to get, or else just take the s out, a is greater than b and A is less than C. Okay, here A is greater than B. It's a false statement. And A is less than C. It's a true statement. False into true. What you are going to get as false and true, you will get false. Okay, just look at it. You will get the output as false. Okay, just if you take A is less than B, okay, A is less than B and A is less than C, then you are going to get true, because both the conditions A is less than B, A is less than C is a true. Okay, if one condition became false, the output is false. Okay, it's all about AND gate, that is AND logical operator. If you go for the OR logical operator with the same scenario, okay, just guess the output and comment me below. Okay, what will be the output if I change the operator symbol? Basically, operators, they are symbols. Operators are used to perform some logical operations. Okay, right. And A is greater than B, no, it's false. A is less than C, it's true. False plus true, you will get a true. Okay, in between that, just give one space and you will get the output as false, true, true, true. Okay, in this condition, one condition false, another condition true, resulted in the true, and here both the conditions are true, then you will get the true. Okay, then we go for the NOT operation. As we know that NOT operation is reverse. If you give the true statement, it will give the output as false. Okay, just take A is less than C. Just understand this. Basically, A is less than C. As A is holding 10, C is holding 30, it's less than C. But it's true statement. Inside the braces, it's a true statement, but outside of that, we are writing the NOT operation. Then what will it become? It become false. Right? It become false. Okay. If I write another line of code, that is not A is greater than C. Here A is greater than C is a false statement and we are using the not, then it will become true. Okay. That is the use of not operator and AND operator or operator. Okay. That's about the logical operators in Java. If you have any doubt, just comment me below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.